Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today showing small puff sleeve hand design. Sleeve hand design. Small shape, round shape equal the round shape cutting. Attaching the ready to blouse piece and saree piece combination. Small frills. Two side equal opposite directions. Small frills. First ready to the two side sleeves and prepare the attaching body piece. This is the small frills and attaching the sleeve body piece. Ready the frills. Kinari stitchings. Very easy method ready this is sleeve frills design. Ready. New beginners. I have join my channel measurement blouse and subscribe to my channel. Kinari stitching ready. Look at this very beautiful and very simple method. Adding the lace. Round shape lace adding. Thank you all. Thank you.